So good. Today it's meatloaf. Start with about 2 pounds of beef. Now you're going to need crackers. That's about 1 stack of Ritz. Gonna need your seasonings. I use 3 eggs. I also put in water and a splash of milk. Now, you guys know me. Get in there, start mixing it up. See how wet and moist that is? That's how you want it. You want it to be able to just hold its shape, kind of like a loaf of bread. Don't forget about the superhero. Yeah, real butter. That's the way to do that. Now, take our meat. Put it right in the middle. Give it a little shape. Now you're going to want to make it flatter on the ends because you want it to cook evenly. Do not put this into a loaf pan. Are you going to boil it? No, don't boil it. Bake it. You gotta make sure you let it sit. It literally is sucking the juices back in. Thanks again for watching, guys. And if you guys like this recipe, don't forget to leave me a like. And let me know what you want to see me do next, because I love to cook.